the geometry of my radius top truly a radius top, just like you would get from a radius dish? Let's find out. I was asked by Greg here about the geometric shape of the top after radiusing it. And so that brought to question whether or not people understood exactly what we were creating here. So I just wanted to be clear that the geometry we're creating is a radius dish. Same exact shape you would get if you shape this in a radius dish. And in fact, when we actually do a build, that's exactly what we're going to do. When we cut this out, we're going to cut it out flat. At least that's my intention, because it's my understanding that you want to start with it flat and shape it to the radius braces in order to create tension in the top and in the bottom. So I'm just going to do a quick demo here to show that this is truly a radius from all directions, creating a sphere. If it were round, it would be a sphere, or a section of a sphere. So let me just get right into that. We'll go into Fusion. We're going to go into our model for the top, and I'm going to back up my timeline, and we're going to turn on some sketches. We're going to turn on that not that sketch, but what we want to do is what I'm going to do is I'm going to exaggerate the radiuses. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to take this from a 28-foot radius or whatever it is, and I'm going to take it all the way down to, say, a 10-foot radius. Okay. Maybe that's too much. Let's take it to 15-foot radius. Yeah, that should be sufficient. And we're going to save that, and then we're going to change the other one to also be a 15-foot radius. Finish sketch. And now we have this, okay? And so we're going to sweep this on that. And you can see from this that this arch and this arch are both going to get swept, and it's going to create a spherical shape, or a bowl shape. So before I sweep it, I'm going to create another no, I'm going to go ahead and sweep it first. And that gives us this shape. And you already see that it's that, but just to make it even more clear, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new sketch. Doesn't matter what plane I put it on, and I'm going to draw a circle to there. And then I'm going to use that circle. I'm going to cut through this thing. I'm going to cut this shape, and I'm going to use that circle as my tool. Click OK. I'm going to click on this outside and delete it, and turn off my sketches, and there you go. So you can see that it is a radius shape. It is not a trough that's arched. It's not anything. It's exactly the shape that you'd get if you pressed it down into a radius dish. So that's it. I just wanted to clarify. I just wanted to make sure everybody understood exactly what I was creating with that, what geometry we were creating. So that's it. See you on the next one. I figure if one person has that question, that others have the question. So hope that answers it. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Take care. See you down the road.